Opening Bank of America checking account. So if you want to open a checking account on Bank of America, you can do so right from their website. Visit bankofamerica.com. Then from here you can simply navigate to the checkings tab, and here you can see open an account today. Click on that button over there. Once you've done that, the new page will load up with a couple of options that you have. So you have Safe Balance Banking, Advantage Plus Banking, Advantage Relationship Banking, and other options. And all of the features will be explained to you right over here, the monthly maintenance fee, and all of those options. Now here you can see all of the qualification steps. Once you have done that, you can just click on Open Account depending upon which one that you want to create an account for. Then you will be asked to enter all of this information. So what we have to do is simply go ahead and then click on this particular I only want a checking account or this option here, and then click on go to application button. On the next page, it will ask you for a couple of information like your legal name, your legal date of birth, and your legal addresses. You have to make sure to have all of that, by the way, and once done you'll be able to finish creating your checking account. This way you can open Bank of America checking account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.